Okay, this is a continuation of the presentation, and the part 10. This part of the standard basically adds a security component as an extension to the previous parts. Okay, process of the software life cycle. This standard consists of the following groups of the process: agreement process, organizational project enable process, project process, technical process, software implementation process, software support process, software resource process. Process of the software life cycle. Each of these groups defines a specific process as known in the following slides. Agreements process contain acquisitions process and the simple process. Organizational project enabling process contain the life cycle model. Infrastructure management process, project portfolio, human resources, quality management process. Project process. Project planning process contain project assessment and control process, decision management process, risk management process, configuration management process, information management, and measurement process. Technical process contain all these sub-process. For example, the stakeholders requirements, system architectural design, implementation process, system integration process, system qualification, software selection process, software acceptance support, software operation, software maintenance process, and software disposal process. Software implementation process contain the software implementation. Okay, this is the same that the previous slide, so we're going to continue with the next slide. Software support process contain the software documentation, software configuration, software quality, software verification process, software validation, software review and audit, software audit, and software problem resolution process. And finally, we have the software resource process that contain the domain engineering, resource reset, resource program. The conclusions. Over the years and the constant evolution of the process, guaranteeing that the organization comply with certain regulation to provide software quality faddy line has been increasingly important, which is why knowing the current models and certification in the different areas allow us to always keep quality standards and regulation in mind as a future professional. Okay, the bibliography take it about the module 1, all the information that is contained in this presentation, and this is the finally. Thank you so much for watching this presentation, and I'll see you later. That you have a good day.